Hello everyone. Binance is one of the most reputable crypto exchanges today, allowing users to create two different types of accounts: personal accounts and business accounts. To register an account, you will need to prepare email or phone number, national ID, passport, or driver's license, etc. to verify identity. The registration process is as follows. After entering the confirmation code sent to your email, you need to verify your account. At this step, you should scan the QR code to complete the process on your phone. First, take a picture of your national ID. Then, perform facial verification. Next, confirm your account information to complete the registration. The account verification time can take a few hours or a few days. Basically, that's how to register a new account on Binance. It's quite simple as long as you have all the necessary information to verify your account. Binance policy only allows users to create and use one account. If you want to create multiple accounts, you can use the feature to create a sub-account linked to your main account. The condition to create a sub-account is, the main account must have identity verification and reach VIP level 1, with at least $1 million in transactions within 30 days. This transaction amount is quite large and may not be suitable for many people. But this is the most legal and safest way. With this method, you can create and link up to 200 sub-accounts to your main account. However, sub-accounts cannot directly make withdrawal orders. So, if you want to create a main Binance account to trade more independently, you can refer to the method below. That is using a combination of an Antidetect browser with proxy to create a new environment. Antidetect profiles work similarly to Chrome profiles, but each profile has its own device settings. When adding a proxy, they will have a completely separate IP address. Unlike using the default Chrome profile, Binance will recognize the Antidetect browser profiles as different devices even though they run on the same device. And the most important factor you need to prepare is personal information. Because Binance verifies account information very carefully, including the confirmation code via email or phone number, ID card photo, and facial verification. Therefore, besides a clean and separate environment, you must have all the necessary account verification information. You can borrow information from your friends or family and ask them to scan for facial verification to create an account. If done incorrectly, Binance may detect it and lock your account. Above is how Hidemyacc guided you to create a Binance account. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please contact the support team of Hidemyacc via live chat for the fastest assistance. Wish you success.